Hey everyone and welcome to today's Wix tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to add the events calendar to your Wix website. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now just one quick note, if this video does help you out, please let me know by leaving a comment and also consider leaving a like. By doing so, I will know that this video is still up to date, and now let's get started. First off, you want to go over to the Wix editor, and once you're there, you simply want to go over to the add button or the plus button and go over to bookings. You'll then see related apps and you want to click on the events calendar. If this does not show up for you, go over to the search bar and then search for events calendar. Then simply click on add to site events and click on get started. For whatever reason that did not work, you want to click on add to site first. Now Wix will be adding the bookings app to your website. This might take up to a few minutes, and once it's there you can see the book online and the book service is there. Manage services is what you want to click on to indeed manage your services. Now I won't bore you with all of the questions, however they're pretty self-explanatory, so you should be ready to go within a few minutes as well. Service title can be coaching, for example. Service subtitle is gonna be become a better person. Service type will be an appointment, and the session will be 1 hour, there's no buffer time, the amount will be 100 euros, and it's indeed a fixed price. Now you've set up one of the multiple coachings you can set up, so you want to click on save, and if you would like to add more services, make sure to click on add new service. However, I would like to not add any new services. You'll then see the coaching, and of course you can go over to settings to manage the book online settings. For example, you can customize your widget, or you can, like I said, change the overlay, make the different services as well, or change little details about the display. For example, show title on service list. You can disable this or enable this, and the same goes for all of these options right here. Of course, you can also customize the list title and you can customize the read more text. The same goes for available online and book now. Now you might want to go over to the manage pages button to make sure that you have the order you'd like it to be in. For example, in the side menu, book online is now at the end of it all. However, I might like this to be the second or third thing on my page. So it's going to be plans and pricing and then book online. Now I'm going back over to the home page because I would still like to add a certain widget. Go over to add, go over to bookings, and you will see over on bookings you'll see a lot of nice widgets you can add to your website in order to increase sales. For example, the timetable, which you can just simply drag and drop onto your website, and there you have it, the class schedule. That's really a tongue breaker, I don't know how to pronounce that, that's quite sad. And there's basically a lot of things you can customize about this, however I won't go over all of that, but what I do want to show you is the events calendar, because that's what this video is about. So click on add to site, and now the events calendar will be added to your website. It's actually in the same theme as your website as well, so that's pretty awesome. And another thing I like is that you can, once again, go over to the settings, and right here are a lot of settings you might want to go about. For example, you can add an event. Description is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Choose an image. Yes, I'd like to. It's going to be my money cash GIF. And then you can simply click on add event. And there you have it. This is how to add the events calendar to your Wix website. If you do have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments down below so I can help you out. And if you'd like to learn how to make a beautiful professional slider like this with customizable text, customizable start today, and just a really good looking slider, make sure to watch this video and I'll see you there.